Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nadya Putri, ID 1923-1045. I'm from Natural Science Education Class B with a forgiving lecturer, Mr. Arif Mutakin MPD. Now we will discuss about the phenomenon of boiling water. There are so many strange phenomena that occur around the world, starting from the oceans of milk, floods of blood, and others. One of which is the phenomenon of boiling water. Maybe we hear a lot of news about the phenomenon of boiling water around the world. One of which is a boiling lake in Dominica, quoted from a Muslim planet. Dominica's boiling lake is a emerald with blue-gray water with a temperature of about 90 degrees Celsius. The water is heated by steam and gas emanating from the lava flow below. It does not rule out the possibility that these phenomena will not occur in Indonesia. Even many areas in Indonesia that have experienced this strange phenomenon, including our area of West Sumatra.
Pemirsa warga Kabupaten Bekasi
fenomena alam berupa air bergelembung seperti air mendidih
di
tengah persawahan warga di Desa Batu Putih Kenek, Kecamatan Batu.
Then it becomes a big question for us. What is the cause of this phenomenon? Quoted from several articles, there are many causes of this phenomenon, and the causes are different each place in the world. This time, we will discuss the phenomenon boiling water in Indonesia, the phenomenon of boiling rice field in Purbalingga. Residents of Purbalingga Regency, Central Java, were shocked by the emergence of the phenomenon of boiling rice field water. Quoted from Kompas.com, mysteriously, the mud in a paddy field belonging to Kalimanah Kulon village, Kalimanah sub-district, emitted bubbles like boiling water accompanied by herds of smoke and hot steam. Kalimanah Police Saif Echan, Police Commissioner Sulasman, through a written release, said that first immediately went to the location when you get a report from the village apparatus. Residents suspect that the cause of this boiling water phenomenon is due to the heat coming out of the mud from an electric pole located not far from the location. After checking, it turned out that the initial suspicion was correct, is the phenomenon of boiling rice field originates from an electric pole that had an electric short circuit and spread to the support wire planted under the rice field area. Furthermore, what is the relationship of this boiling water phenomenon with aspects of biology, chemistry, and physics? The first of biology. 1. Rainfall that reaches the earth contains only small amounts of mineral water dissolved. 2. There is a hydrological cycle. Furthermore, the chemistry aspect. 1. Water mixed with the clay available are brought to the surface in the foam and mud, forming a suspension by a small amount of water and steam which continues to bubble to the surface. 2. Fumaroles are holes where only vapor and other gas such as carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide are released. These characteristics are usually found on hillsides above the level of hot spring. Flowing water can often be heard boiling underground. The last one, physics aspect. 1. Hydrothermal phenomena that emit water and steam are almost always associated with volcanic rock and tend to be concentrated in area where there is a fairly lake geothermal gradient and there are earth aquifers that allow water to penetrate to considerable depths, often reaching 1,500 to 3,000 meters. This water, due to heating from below or from within the earth from large upward convection currents supplying the hydrothermal region. 2. Geysers are hot springs that radiate periodically, resulting from the expansive force of excess hot steam in the confident surface channel. Water from the surface source and or shallow aquifers flow downward into channels such as vertical tubs are deep enough then heat to above the boiling point. As the pressure increases, the steam passes upward, releasing some of the water on the surface, which reduces the hydrostatic pressure and causes the deeper surface award that becomes steam. The geyser then erupt to radiate into eruption at certain intervals until the pressure is removed, after which charging starts again and the cycle.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.